Hello there, future Coconut VAs. It's Jam, the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. And for today's video, we're going to talk about Coconut VA's resume template. All right. As you guys know, Coconut VA has its own resume template. So as you go through the application form, you'll see the link there. And it's very important that as you apply, okay, you have to be able to submit Coconut VA's resume template. All right. So how do you go about it? Just copy and paste the link in a browser, and then you see this, okay, and then just click use template for a new design. As you click that, it will lead you to a blank template. All right. All you have to do is to make sure you accomplish everything. At the bottom or page 2, you'll see all the guidelines here. Okay. So let's go to this. So of course, I'll add a photo. But first, let's just look for a good photo to attach here. Let's say, ida-drag ko lang siya dito. And then I'll put it here. So there. I can double click this so I can adjust. There you go. And then I'll put my first name, Jam. Hindi nyo malalaman kung ano totoong first name ko. And my last name is Blauta. See? Very easy, guys. Phone number. So double click. Ayan. +63 917 123 4567. For example. Email. Professional email. jam.blauta@gmail.com. Okay? Address. Just put the city. Mandaluyong City, Philippines. 1550. I-extend ko ng konti. Dito kasi OC ako sa space. There. Alright? Contact info. Next. Professional skills. So, kung may portfolio ka, i-zoom ko ha. Ilagay mo dito yung link ng portfolio. Okay? Or, okay, you can click this and then highlight mo to and then click this, add the link of portfolio here. Kung wala kang portfolio, guys, kasi wala ka naman sa creatives, and then i-delete mo lang yan. Okay? If that's clear, then you can just add here specific skills. Okay? You put a specific skills, like for example, ako, community building. Okay? Social media strategies. Let's say light, pag basic ha, light video editing, light podcast production. Very specific, guys, no? Technical skills to. Light copy writing, no? Let's say light Canva, what calls this, graphic designing. Okay, let's say di ba bang ginagawa ko? Just enumerate everything here. Alright, enumerate everything here. Ano pa ba ginagawa ko? Ang dami kong ginagawa. Let's say, content planning. Diba? Let's say, LinkedIn outreach. Diba? Let's say, what else? Ano pa bang proficient ako? Email marketing. YouTube content creation. Diba? Let's add here Facebook page management. Diba? Let's add here everything about your skills. So make sure, ganyan, kawari ganyan, do not leave a blank bullet. I-delete mo yan. Alright? And then, of course, just adjust it. Ayan, medyo OC ako sa space. Alright? Same as software experience. Pwedeng ilagay mo dito is, isipin mo muna lahat, no? You may add here, let's say, ano ba? Canva. Diba? Let's say, CapCut. Let's say, ano po ba mga editing platforms na ginagamit ko? Project management tools naman. Let's say, Asana, Monday, Airtable, diba? Hindi ko na alam. Airtable, Notion, Trello, ClickUp, what else? Let's talk about messaging platforms. Slack, Discord, WhatsApp. Let's talk about ano pong pwede natin pag-usapan. So like for example, ayan, puno na dyan. So you can just, adjust this and put another layer or row or column, on the right side. Okay. And then let's add Google Workspace. Let's add ang Google Workspace ay na yung calendar, Gmail, etc. Let's add Facebook. Ayan. Let's add StreamYard. Everything. Dami ko na nagamit, no? Everything. Again, don't leave an empty bullet. Okay? But lahat ng software ilagay nga dyan. Okay, next. Position. Makita nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diba? If you need more, then you lessen the bullets and then adjust. But if you only have 2, for example, then remove the rest, add the bullets. Ganun lang yan. Diba? Roller position, let's do one sample. Let's say VA sourcer. Bigyan natin dyan, company is Coconut VA. Let's say August, month and year lang daw eh. So August 2023, kung present to present, ilagay ka dyan. Okay. Let's put here source qualified Filipino VAs through social media, through content marketing. And community building. Kung yun lang yon, yun lang yon. Okay? It's that simple. Adjust mong konti. Maging OC tayo sa spacing. Ayan. And then add role number 2. Let's say, social committee manager. Anything relevant lang. Okay? Let's say, nag-start akong November 2022. ilagay natin personal brand. Kung personal brand mo yan. So let's say November 2022 to April 2023. And then add here. So, kunwari yan lang, no? Kunwari yan lang. And date may iba. Huwag ka magtitira ng placeholders. Delete mo yan. If you want to expound more, kunwari dalawa yan, add more bullets. Okay. Creates job postings. Grows all social media, walang S, grow all social media platforms through marketing strategies. Adjust mo na lang. Okay? Specific tasks. Adjust mo lang. Adjust mo sa maganda din yung spacing. Alright? Maganda ma-fill mo tong ma-fill mo tong pages na itong section na. Basta pag dalawa lang, adjust the bullets. Okay? Adjust the bullets. Kailangan ma-maximize space. Clear? From there, alright. Sige, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Bullet, more tasks here. Kunwari lang to guys ha, don't take this literally ha. Basta maximize nyo para lang walang awkward space. And at the same time ay ma-explain nyo further yung experience nyo. Okay? See? Space is maximized. There you go. Again, don't take the more task here literally. Add specific tasks there na relevant sa work mo. Okay? Next, education. So, I'll put here yung highest education attainment. So, the LaSalle College of St. Benilde. Sino mga Benilde dyan? Comment below. Ayan, I am a graduate of Benilde. Malalaman yung ID number ko. So, let's say, when did I start? Ano ba? May, let's say May, malalaman nyo. May 2008 to April, don't judge me guys. April 2013. Kasi nag 1 year ako sa Amerika. Okay, so put here BS Hotel and Restaurant Institution Management. Your course. Diba? There. Again, nandito sa guideline, no? Highest educational attainment only. Okay? And then if you added more than one, you may add another subsection. Adjust mo na lang. References. Okay. Kunwari, Donna D. CO. No? And then add the phone number. Plus 639-17-456-789. Ganyan. Kung isa lang, alis mo iba. Adjust mo na lang. Alright? So that's how you accomplish. And then, triple check, make sure walang mga extra bullets, walang mga extra placeholders na hindi naman nalagyan. Adjust spacing, adjust everything, make sure all infos are right especially your contact info. Make sure everything is right. And then once you're done, click share, and then click download, and then use PDF print. Dito sa file type, PDF print. And then just do page 1. So click may select pages, and then click all pages. Make sure walang checks here, and then just tick page 1, and then done, and then you download. All right, and there you have it. You have your own resume template. It's best na before you do that, you may change the title of the document kasi ito din yung lalabas, guys, na file name. So click this. Okay, you can say CVA resume dash jam blauta. Okay, share, download, file type, PDF print, select pages, click all pages, make sure hindi naka-check lahat. Just check page 1, and then done, and then download. Okay, once again, I will reiterate this part. Yung nilagay kong more task here, you have to add a specific task. Nilagay ko lang dyan ang more task here just for the tutorial or for this walkthrough purpose. Okay? But put specific tasks here para lang ma-maximize mo yung space. If it's just 2 or 3. Pero syempre, kung 5 naman yan, and then you can just to stick to 3, no? The top 3 tasks, and then make sure spacings are just right. All right? So yan. That's it for me for today. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Good luck on your application. Bye!